Almost all CPAP problems can be solved and reversed with only one small piece of information. Are you struggling with CPAP? Did you get all of the CPAP training you need? Up to 50% end up quitting CPAP. Persistent sleep apnea causes so many health problems that it must be treated successfully. I'm Chris, your CPAP coach. I have set up thousands of CPAPs and followed each and every one after. If you are still struggling, there is something you can do. First, don't quit. Don't give up. It can get better. Second, build your knowledge. The more you understand, the more successful you will be. That simple. That's why I have compiled a series of videos and quizzes with laser focus on CPAP knowledge that can be used to overcome CPAP problems. Hundreds of tips and 30 years of experience knowledge to help you find that one all-important small piece of info you need. There are two different levels to join the channel. One is the supporter level where you get shout outs during the lives, also emojis and badges. Now, if you want to see these important instructional and educational videos, join at the ambassador level. I encourage you to do so. Please join the channel today. Support us, see these beautiful videos, and good luck to everybody. Get your sleep back.